Hello, this is an how-to video on x-dream-Fabrik contacts. The contacts module is made to store your private or your company contacts that you have in your professional environment. Here I'm already logged on to our x-dream-Fabrik user interface. I've selected the workspace storytelling because contacts management is part of our kind of news type of product. And on the very left-hand side, you see the contacts panel. By default, it shows all the list of stored contacts. I've selected myself, and here you can see my contact details. To search for a contact, I can make use of the search field. And just by typing the first characters, it will bring up me again as the only search result. But I could search, for instance, for the city or for let's say the company. That makes more sense. So like x-dream, and it brings up me and my colleagues. Or I'm in the division management, and that brings up a smaller subset of that. It's me, my colleague Jutta, and someone who's called Sophie Becker. Now, how can I edit contacts? That is fairly simple. It happens with this pencil symbol. I search for the contact first, then I press the pencil symbol. It switches the complete user interface in the editing mode, and now I can change metadata. So for instance, the house number or the division, department. We are the x-dream team. And afterwards, I press this save symbol and the new data set is stored. That easy it is. Now, to create a new contact, also very simple. We use this like plus file symbol, and now I get a fully empty mask, and I can start typing in whatever I want, like Max Mustermann, and company name is like my stuff, and so on. You can fill it in and with everything what is required. And zip number, sorry, it was the house number. Here we do have the zip number, the city, and so on. And at the end of the day, again, you save with this diskette symbol. You might question yourself how that all works in terms of the metadata set. This can be freely configured by an administrator, and how this is done will be shown in a separate how-to video where we elaborate on all the configuration possibilities. By the way, you might wonder why the new contact is now missing on the list. That is simply because of that filter. If I remove the filter, I will get him back. So that easy it is. We have the possibilities to make use of that person as well with drag and drop to get him in, for instance, into a story or later on in a planning, so in a timing to assign a task. But basically that is a place where we search for people and we make use of them to assign them to tasks. That's all what you can say about the contacts panel. Thank you so much for watching.